malwil o songon mera tigilado ko mas bil tunin metial mal to ko sa programa ko amra Kausischakl era la afternoon en como me se bitana te del malwil garel dil mak mo ititirin bitin mo siya kartir ma amareda tira Jason di ako ten suakal ko radio mo isilo si tilganga la toda school ngal garel sel di suakal mo isin mergida wasya te alen mortirgat te dera kreti al brul de kergi aklot te al sel mua babil ngi mara school especially mga babil mara school ang warda ya te alen nga urere mak langar rakaw mo me bergira tarablu amalklo maul mang malgoram le gisumarial ngo titrin mertia botokon mo klot te alla blal bolikra mervela o mekkei moram ring lulor tigali al bora beoto te olor hospital matemel mo daswal di ngukure mela asit temle to tigali rigi mom koro rigi emse akrigi da mahil rigi da umil ako siya ako teng albawal ako ta kamater mitene ngaka makatigal tel adama madangel wasya atara mondel ngi gatial bulur bela ora bekil sils out migration tamal to kolwa maklungiw wila te liu ko madigrir mira school mangarang hindi sil the more sil klangal de kera sen kril sometimes in green, you know, the grass over the fence is always green. Di lang me dolar mertial grass ala tulong len hindi ako green moral appreciator me magaw this is a big day el moral other bela dire kan so karogul ngal ko bela to the school bolo tengel wase abot na kan rogoy ito level 1 mo mil blue like we always dreamed of tingon mo rise mal congratulate me welcome me anytime so me expect at TMC for any other purposes aureri wal so me advertise ni rablu you are always welcome miltene al so como o spell gukti me mud adura rablu you are always welcome. Nga kambre nga sulat Jason nga kamla mo to kontan ka trabalmente adrbela managel was selbo do sigra opportunity me aurora blur belaw hindi kan mal klo aburante do sigri sib el dimnakal lolar ko miwe emilar me bira ngal mo klo do dile klo experience tire qualified like you are but to give you this opportunity mal brenga sulela Jason brenga sulite de al sumo kada aureri wa onda so siempre que no lo hago mal cloro de or the very reason why ti agme mutrela a gente aumil nakamiling dura doktoriano yang wasya ulgom la adel merelang la mo wila to ora health makumiu a bebira klunyole la health ra blur belaw lo valentin merengi. So on behalf of TMC, mar adal igimda lo ureor mar adal belaw lo mesirgid. I congratulate you three. You are not just beautiful, you are educated, and you are going to work with us. Aktimol mo rise, miskate alam introduce ti Roy.
Mansulan kote malumilitasik sil meray ora ito. Magaling tirakal kaya nagkakaroon na lagi medical program yung TMC poting sa maman mereka sulim kau mayo mereka TMC TRTL dan gini nak mam musa aman may kata lagi TMC isi kayak gitu lah mam lah orang lah mau ngil gora tom penil lu lah program lagi dari kita suel malui suel ben malui sinsile wala kalo mesita program bekam sulang at yun o mesita program wajel tilong ko kata jeda benar di market tirakan ngal gete ye ba benar to ko ya yel papelingil blangal ngila school amal si to de mora idil belura ikrel belaw mau reor el mal Rol, Roy de toca lugar al al sobra pero mo ra niya no suko al time e mering lurur terngari di tergali ara rin di loop el merme ra uri ura skuli el atoro hospital mo neswagal mera TMC ya di shogar kamam mera buhay o isip kamam di wakan ya raw Naging kukura sa niya, ngito ko yung morulo ng seora niya, sistema niya hospital, sel Rehabilitation Services Department, sila Ministry of Health and Human Services. Ngilang ko nertian mga limitir kaltedel ng yegal dile oray do terur tira agim dakalogyor imortira umurura skulel senior University of Guam ako do ring sa apol para school hindi na sa ilme ako do Kausischakl yung metro naman na kalogyor siya wala ang arap kaso mang akti mo wala kadebel introduction tinakatede hindi nga kayo malsuwa ka start alma ang kukura kaya interview team sinabi team mentira mas tinatili titibuk mo ay sa ako makakaira sa inyam na journey team rawalin albotel book mosori tayo ito ko rawalo na ito rawihak ngaral lulgiuni marmaral kami tiri uro hospital imortir ako kung mamay ng skudel mo wakti morsegidi mal muto ba yung asulun mo sa program manggil ko ito introducing lagi dito ko Talungab justice by their multi-ma nga ora itong occupational therapist nakalwi kaya ako to other belaw certified in lang school occupational therapist ang nga niya other belaw lango hindi ako tangali ito akay kay belaw ingam lang wa school nalitur belaw ako ro hospital mang direct mo ile mendingil mo smoothie ako tingin na school maurerel kita ko mo rin next al ngagitara pa ide dito to lilo ko nga ginul Chinese at ruwa din na liubi nga superstar Olympian Abraham Igay bilang mo de ora ito ora selbuk igante al nganira arbela book otherwise you feel dire book puligo sports ngulus pe any platform ulta bidira school ito tel la maestria beto kal adal adra sports ya NOC mel ngosuk tiri SMI ka scholarship eta scholarship ito nga school era tanga tel urur mangar baba adro lira sila ka permette irma akat pengela tora urur sila la uma ibita tege yid lutu ya sport emlon mo tigra reren niam la men berwet sila hospital ngel kagitara yubi KD Savior nga student intern kamam ngupo gibsel book niya partnership gid lo kongela Palau National Scholarship Board so the isi meli lo tirakat tede adin langar se gid Palau National Scholarship Board program edi gid lo boy and then the tour men never la internship party okay di no mo ga tirakat tede ngilil bayide ngar bitara ngaku di upload ko ng alira ng high school. Nga, ano ko tuloy lang, okay, 9-10 years ba ito, to high school?
9 years?
9 years,
Yes.
2014.
Yeah, class of
Nga, iya, program na, kagawat na program na Ministry of Education, yun career development, yung career guidance, nga sila component, bilang ko donation job shadow program. Walong mong gila ka school me ngulo era work setting lo panggila ang rawdor etam su lo panggil mangkadin na high school ya ngeulo lo pangkama ya gidong magidin na lesson ka til tartigel mo ng school le tara aman mo arbabal therapist tara ko say yung nila mo ding lo lilimelmi enlon mo occupational therapist kasi ang high school ora ito nga Timla ka dirigir sa program ng Kapsyado, hindi rin may volunteer. Summertime, hindi may volunteer more gamitin mo na school. Kaya gimluter may sing lami, mo na special ere, yung willing pagkira ka ma'am. No, pinag-pinag di mo mismo di siya. Hindi siya, malamang nga ni program ng Kapsyado, katokol, tekar na kayo all, may sila na school and May. Igigil tayo sa Edelbook, mga social talaga din kami kailangan. Kailangan school may tumawag na kanya interested din. Tapasaw nyo, kuha mo sa self-tergible part raw mo. Kora ruling, nguwabol suwal mo o sira, kora kanan maringin sa araw ko sa tingin na kasuhan mo rin at takam si mga schooler rin. Bakun mo sa igid, so kan utuloy mo raw. Kora basta natin almat introduce himself, ka-interview team. Ya, ulo ko program, mati mubis ka, mati mo kaya ako masimile. Yang artikel di mga liberty ka, di ko nga niya agir na tele la oras dito sa department ng ma'am, may yel ko kura mo na kasi it's mao, igigitin ko nga po sa. Kaya kaman sula tatial, kaman sula ateni ma tuin matrix.
Ya, mada kam sulang may kora mo tatsra aklangar ragaw. Jason medo mo ragaw. Bela ka ang aligela Julie Rivera. Madikens time. Kam kora di briefly mo ay so tirgad adra blim ta adra.
Okay, so my mother, Julie Rivera, ang aligela Sadako Rivera, Malion Rivera.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and then they grew up mostly in the States and also different parts of the world, like Kwanparanga kami other military. And then my mom came for high school, and then when she had me, we moved to the States when I was 5 years old. So maybe not many people know my mother, Julie, but she does have some friends in Ngara Hospital, Lurir Hospital, Nadangali, and people in Palau that do know her. She's still in the States right now. And then adama ka Vikens Taima, Naligala, Katsumi Taima, Ma Sora Taima.
I see. Kasi nung todra skura high school, ako meset tiyan bayo ka Kau gumna na skura Cebu Doctors University?
Yes, for college, right after high school.
Makadim na high school mo uror ospital ang ospital mo ra Cebu.
Nara, akne graduate May 2014 high school, and then by the end of that same month, I'm gonna get a flight to Cebu for college because they start their semester in June.
So that's what you did.
Yes.
Ito dra school o nga ra?
So we finished in October 2020, and then because of COVID, I'm not going to the process. So about the is January 2021.
21.
Yes.
Tiya gid med ospital ko tiyang katingin urere.
No, apne sarabak mara school or sa January 2021. Yap nora PNSP. No saber el Morsel internship program. I choose a more special education program. So I did practice occupational therapy, special ed, but young ako school-based setting and more students with special needs. And mamireg, la 1 year and 4 months, and then transferred to Ministry of Health after that.
Kumahan sila akong nasyo. Klapal gula. Adi, hanggang granddaughter, kujiwara tayo ba? Ako sa mama malo ng laptop lang so front camera ka that's a good one. Kami pura kay UB. Kam pura ako ng gaul ay UB ka rin ngaling yung le nakabuk nga niya te mega lang na transport mo kam le dito umigay. Ya understanding nga ka dimiling igay mo mala award mo earn ras ka siguro ka. So from there come lor.
Min nira minsan talak fabagik yang atara ko nira all the way elementary school, high school, toddler high school yung scholarship la Oceania National Olympic Committee yung 2 years scholarship yung mara rangal kan sorilo sports yung ara school ang apart ma school Lincoln College yung ara Illinois ma tinira vera mo same year Olympics. Olympics Rio, Brazil 2016. In the same year, akilo segit scholarship para Oceania National Olympic Committee. Maktim na la Rio el momerek emel mater masku. Maser October bela el mobil la Rio. Nagida kal para lo clock for Olympics masku. So from Rio nagida kadim na la airport la Houston, Texas emel masum para aktim para sa Merle masku. Makna school at Lincoln College lo mingiray student el masum para first 2 years na nga pre-nursing. Makmilay klase na nursing. Momerek di mi lamol na mingiray school lo start tra exercise science degree na. Mang tablo nga degree na kalkula para tagi the Lincoln College na Illinois. Para nursing ama exercise science.
Bela kam na October school October school kam lor.
Active la last year ngilug tagi del Palau Fellowship Award nga programa del Palau National Scholarship Award el return el revela we intern. Intern diwan kagi del KD. Akna la dosi series pat el nganya KD last year. This time last year same thing, same program, same place. Akna la rehab service department hospital 2 months. El momerek by me hire October. Momerek era August. El netiga rega telive process para venir a Marang es el October. Mara terak na ser October mililang as an exercise physiology.
Kada akora ulebes ng gukting nga kadim tingin was yung kantaang dia ayubi ngaligela natus mis kita lo kadim tingin lila natus madalar asiska adalar asiska mal amog taptol teme longora disabled ngalgorbela. So it's nice to have you back. Kami gusto po ka Eddie.
Hi everyone, my name is Katie. I'm a PNSP intern. My mom's name is Augusta Quintaro and she's from the state of Sonsorol. And my dad is from, his name is Marcelino Xavier. He's from the state of Puluana and Miri. And they've both been living here for a long time. And I've been going to school at Miyun's Elementary School. And then from 2013, I graduated from Miyun's Elementary School. Then I went to high school at Saipan, which is Catman High School. And then I graduated at 2017. Then from there, I went straight to University of Guam, which is UOG. And I've been getting my trying to get my bachelor degree of exercise science and health promotion.
Maka ang harap ko si Seoul.
Same major, different school.
Kala di ko tell ko the personal question na nakakabing ko. Akin tarong related to the famous Captain Quintaro.
Yes, that's my mom's brother.
Oh, really? Kumari ako mga nilala na gil angkor ngi. He's the first Palawan and Mataram Kamat. The first fallen heroes. The Vietnam War.
Yes.
So she's related to that famous guy. Kami ko ka what made you want to stay here and work? Tiyak question ako mo ng military.
Okay. I was able to see the need for help in Palau, especially for ako din was working as an OT for children with special needs, and I was able to see the need because it's one of the lacking services, occupational therapy, and also to know that occupational therapist from Palau or in our island. I thought that it would be beneficial for me to come back and help in that area.
Ikaw yung kukuraman na what made you decide to come back?
Inspiration ng agtagi del career hospital sports. Just me athlete alcohol and well, specifically remember was in Maknarigere, the field was in Suad or towards what occupation? Level of game. Actually, level of game. Ulmes la basket, ang championship la kunger. Kasi aso mataman la one athlete and taanga gel مريء المرة قرت المميزان قال whatever injury happened. So كده قصد كده لما ده athletic trainer specifically الكيرا المرة athlete أسمى تمام. At the same time yang bukngal lo may sa butokal balloon with team Palau compete. Nganya medical commission sa chair ni Jason. So ngani tigal ko rep pero watok tanga matters, but specifically an athletic trainer adim lang. So nasegi da ko inspire nga kasi so kan wara school to blend to wara hospital ma sports. Tira pala high school. Pala high school yang anya program I got career development. Yang nga kamabay din di na health pathway program at pala high school. Like hindi din na din yan wasing soma mo towards the medical field. Hindi na ko din yan wasing soal mo kana nga kaya hindi active na din yan soal mo towards hospital. Team na gire magi. E also may hospital. Ako la weird nga low figure smell and spare na hospital. Yeah. Sige daw inspiration mo.
Ikaw ko na malguro rin ako may setel ba binay magatilaw ng raskura sa iwan. And then why did you come back?
Well, I've always wanted to come back and help my family and the people because I grew up here and I see that like not a lot of people my age or younger wanted to join the medical field. So I wanted to be like one of the first people, especially in my state. Not a lot of people want to be a PT, so I just wanted to become one so that I can encourage them to like join our field because it's great. And
I mean, mungil feeling na sila nga soat it accomplish rin. Eda question na nga medical military siya. Are you enjoying what you're doing? Mle atera all the swim maturi berkau.
For me, definitely yes. Because I've always had this drive and like passion towards helping people, especially those that need it the most or like a vulnerable group. And so being able to go and study and then come back and practice my skills and simply receiving like a thank you from the patients is very fulfilling or it fills my heart. Yes.
Ya kayubi.
Direkal ekola tigila beda sing hotel rewarding and I believe sing malungi lang ko nga tel wele lang just from I believe as that position is the perfect blend that interest na medical field matokora sports catering, giving back to the sports community. May role opportunities in the black nga PNOC, PNSB, ma-hospital dito. So, that's the name of top of my head, regular opportunities in black nga since like intern real.
Aktir ka sir opening game bakmara airport review siya workman mo ngikan mo cotton bay mak aktir ka mid sa car siya opening day you still part of the Olympic.
same here. I've always wanted to join the medical field, and so this is a great opportunity, and it's something that I've always wanted to be since high school.
Yeah, we're looking forward for you to return when everything is done. Ako mdasulo ako will freeze up dulu. Ngarang message ka el moral ko bela relat. Tigel ngara school, tigel to da ngara school ma ra peluat de kiergi. Do ves en hospital ma ves the whole screen. Ngara ko na message ka mortil wasing rewarding at the merbela dimilo dim kirtilang.
My message to the young Palauans was make sure that choose the field that you're interested in, so that when you come back and give back to the community, at least you're working in a field that you enjoy and something that you're passionate about.
Ikayubi mo.
Nga hindi na the mesra balwa the need giving back and our other balwa. Tara to ko sumakatog na school and wala nga bar serve of course there other who comments na financial part na aware but hindi kan ball waya sila server other balwang Money is one thing, but money comes and goes. Kira balwamim nga ko kote dak adara cold weather blue, so mal comfortable nga bela first of all the weather. But oben ter adara blik tirakal tara ulum legira kal return mermay ko nganya tara nga kal elsid miitut sister nga kal close sister nga kal was born with multiple disabilities. Manguk na teme kal merbelaw ko cover helper adara blik el take care ng agil sister nga ka magigera nga kanas etov den mara school ata mga la school hawa magiwal blem switch so ngira mel mo obot lo ama bala men sengara uk se emel li give back and more agera rule opportunities and nga ka personally nagil as an athlete and as a student merbelaw kelo ngira adara blik nganya balwakal and but pros and cons. I'm not driven by money. I'm driven by family and values and giving back to our community.
As an athlete, I think that.
Yeah.
Yes, part of
Kasi
it.
our role outside come back and merabalwan and give back to your people. Yung nga kung ilan nga aroy den parent hararam lig. I'm fortunate enough kasi aktir ko pun gila. Ako makamadala. Yeah.
For me, I would like to tell the young people that make sure you know what you want to be, and also apply PNSP scholarship and go off island because it's really a great opportunity. Like you meet new people, you get a lot of opportunities, and that you meet like other neighboring islands, and it's great. And then once you finish, you come back, and then you get free tickets to come here, and go to the job you want to be at, and you meet great people, and you meet your family.
Di ako man masaula. Kora di neswak sa igid del partner at program rigid din. Aurelio ambring rudior. Bang dia kasi idel guk matang okurtiang ato sa Aurelio ambring rudior. Kurti matangel wasi ko padre hospital tra ukrul. Yon masora uspeangis. Bakpay mo sige del partner ngalio lo to simulation sa kamada dito si tigang arat man muru ngira. Imam la Valentin Berbelaw.
Sura yan, why say? Ulen sila alto to malula mo del roaster del share again niya po kasi tema journey tema isip mo na amita ng aral radio na sura a possibility are there going to Okudura or hospital. Kaya loro labay ron yung nilo sa kain ko Diba at least dia at smile and alam mo kal occupational therapist ako alam nga kali trabaho sa occupational therapist dahil occupational therapist ako po sa pagkira at work in amin dito example na ang last ko la department de tomando en la Google at el mundo los sistemas se ven malanos o se ve el malol o ahí de la tocora a no sé la atmósfera el loli o
Nutun mom sisi.
el mal ahí la obra
Si maklo patient lo ren aparte ti algo.
Makatera del hospital la occupational therapist del New sila department ng kumdahan New York. Hindi din yung mas selected na sila ako nung kasi naman niya nalagay bela o na school mal nila karapabal mal tira nasa amal mo klaro submit team yellow hook to kon mal mas kon di rin awok man mga asadyo okay na yan point average tira tapra class Kirtero. Dia ako sa ako ira ay idilin nga habol mali hindi gumara ko sa tira na amal
Si Sir Quintaros.
Tira pero mal late tapra class sel wala sel dulu ko rin temne di sai mo temne na temne arre mo temne ang masaro de ni gida na mate ni gida de lo kaisra ano ko gida yugi ba get la do ka exercise physiologist mo ko para sports ter hospital mo me
El adulto mo Olympic hindi ako umi ang kami.
Tegay dia elang siya ma-upgrade lang kalau bukti lah mama melalui dimlang gian ngingil other say agil buki mo ngil el CC agi mo ngil totang barus mo el alba ngingil other ni hindi gilel mo kusang kang mo mo masaras ni
You get two birds with two stones.
Ako,
Two birds with one
eh
stone.
ngiga
Two birds with one stone.
mang aga bera sulit tiran gamel mal encourage ra ano nga lu tigay ko kaya ano to kaya services sa hospital rehab department may sa department ka man may sa ako si electric ay din ko SL la may on board may gil ko SL services sa mama la mo sa amal lodar sa mga balulet til la may ay gil din lang niya lagi lagi wagi lang orya ka ko marata ka mo Denguk naman niya special till din lang na before ang ngani magi sa Marian low ice sa Marian malali feral sa toktang mo mesra smell ang mga to dagiri lang mo ra obli magi mo mesra agal tigil bukto ka til compound ti mapoti atto del mo masasme lagi to mo ra tele old age center, senior citizen center, mag-exercise or magtitirahan mo oras. By then, mag-talk ng mga school. Sila, ako, ang luway sa youth mo sa mundo na special ere, yung plus one, may malas mo hospital ang namin, hindi siya service niya, hindi ka malamon mo. Yung nga niya, school health program. Kung maging siya, hindi malamon, lumay sa tigil. Nga school, kaya tukugan sa rin travel, i-look ko, yung school health. Magi gara belum gemes resmera belum gemes resmera school el involver ato na sports maguro gen MOC gemes resmera sa hospital agi man expand na program mga tangati tilakang tige book way gamaman la toget taka lima email ra bagaya wa chairman lang namo ko day bagaya ra kanuro hospital para di pwedeng na mag-iran mo pala tigay gid ako pero wala deadline kali tiget tiget buka di mga hospital mga bagi tara sila ko titigil mo wala alam mo buk di alam ko at since na suwalo ko titigil na SMA mo tira laman na suwalo mo susel al gira el adal al belal pagdasa sa mga school outside maluga ka nga belal Bumalikan, kami narapag rin na school, hindi na ka tulong ng gini na gusto may bebe lang. Kaya best-trip sila ka. Lagi na, ang example, alam ka rin, narelang mo yung spera ng gini ko daw. Kaya kami yung good sila rin. Yung mga expat and experts in May, may hospital. So kaya lagi rin na mas tulit, yung outside and man, program ang gusto ng May.
Di ako man sulang ang question na kasi awang ka time toktang magana title therapist that's the term mo ti agad rore makaw mga therapist o mga recent exercise therapist ang occupational therapist ma siya kukta term na ugurur anulat kaya ka magtoktang ultimo therapist.
But those are pre-med, so we can also decide if we want to pursue medicine instead of not.
Siya mo ngartiyan mo mo toktang at swak. Kamlang matri steps mo dailawan. Sweden online.
Kadang-kadang ko siyang marami ito daan ang scholarship pero hindi halo ay disin. El allo lore background del team niya already established a school that speaks for itself. Hindi ka allo ito mas scholarship niya so mas scholarship sa Ang ini tira taprak
I see. I record that speaks for itself.
Muter itu lera beluri. Tadi obra ko si man ako kasi hindi qualify. To be quite wrestling. Di mo yortil bukti sumo okla tenil misa sing sildi malagi ko online course ay bukti mo malagi tingarapil book actual moment MLL in person. That could be na taming mali technology na relieve na mo ta ato na school na ro ito.
I see.
Hindi already time at till the last started mo till mo malaya ang school. Luwa na to bro.
Mga labat ko time nga kami president ra parents rebela rogi ra one time. Mang bekil time nga ra graduation. Al sumta mo ko daw yung claim. Insi ka tinga ra stage sa adamang madala mara crowd. If you smile, they smile. I say that in Tian Moru ringing about 50 years ago or 40 years ago. Yabela adirin mle ko tun moringa doctor yan ringi. You know, kami three blazers. Dia din ko ra. Imdo kom kaya ngal ganti. You have two steps dira ka adal take ringi. Katum level all take advantage ra foreigners and mem tumru legal yor. You have taken that steps. Kau. Mak matangil wasitial doru ringi. Adia kalsal because yung ureriu. Our parents we should be proud of you. Our other way we should be proud of you. El alda ada do itel angar nga 1,500 itel adro mesel kumi or rengsel kumi. Makumdas that's the important part. Kadang makarangi accomplish ra dream ringi imamru ringi nga silsoan. El amade el patrak langar kumi. Abtol adro bela way kumi. Disel me yakabalmenta mo diakal hindi ka lubustri like expectations or kilim tapag Brian. Maybe some of your friends have done the same thing. Tunga job feel was tiga diakal buska kay kel expectation na telurior. Makmage ko ka Talungab tipak my things siga will job ra ako. Ako ta sige damade challenge bergumiltere. Di ko maral was adalo mes adalo rings. You have taken that burden of the rio. Namo matangel was alma ang alga kan maamo ile di ako kusigra ruba ka kontol. Kumamam ni other sports. Sila marwaklo ito pagkakalmura imor ruba ka ngalo.
Kusigra yubi.
Oh, ang nga department hospital did the book mo rin. Macau si Emruli Segit, Macau, we're looking forward, welcome you back. Makmal, congratulated kami, matter kami. Abay challenge na ba Jason, si treat them right. Ma-hospital, treat them right. Kadamlak mo suwad, hindi tiyan, overall system of the care ourselves, sometimes it's not fair to us. Hindi ako expecting it fair to you guys. Just do your best and you will come. Kita, ang matangil wasing, apela ospera smart, yung maduaran rin, sorry ladar bela. Makti mo close il dule imortokoil silubira, padreya. Ako tenggiri mo wil ladar bela, imo nga nga skulem, imo wil Cristiano. That'll put everything together. Makumtira nga kumtira adra TMC mar adra bela ulo meset tiang. Wish you guys the best. Om sudal. Ako das ko kada hindi ka dito rulil gini ko dire kan mo susar ngar bela ngar school melom sana di o sika opportunity lom gurur tiar belwat. Blessa sel opportunity bisa. Possible. You said it right. Kung ngatiang yung it is a home and there's no place like home.
Yeah.
Alright. Kung sulang, kung marogo, al suman niya korason mo, kung close sa meeting, at yan, toksyor gide, kung sa...
Kaman sulang, o kadilya, awara close ra kadilya imol tukol, true to tren. Kadilya ang challenge, bera nga kalwa, ko si treat them right. Mang il vania di togliere il temere mai sono lo verti me di mescava 1 or 2 minutes di dong ai sera lo sampai wa ara na are we treating you right? Is the hospital treating you right? Am I treating you right? And then they put us
You're putting them on the spot.
oh
Because you have to be smart.
So it's been 7 months in Korea Hospital. I'm not just answering because you're right next to me, but yes, I would say that I am being treated well. Ra department teranga, the management ra department teranga is it's pretty good. Yes, and I feel like my boss actually gives me the opportunity to expand and learn in a way. I get to decide on what is it that I want to do in order to achieve my goals for my career. And so he's more like a mentor because I would ask him if I can like pursue a program, and then he would tell me like, oh, that's up to you, like then go ahead. Like he really gives us the opportunity to decide and also design the path that we take in order to achieve our goals.
Ako tandim na sa highlighter sa one na tigim seram delwa se aniti ko top the school may expect just basically to expect things to fall in place sa to river dar gel se kama makumle giremel you yourself giremel mesa se ngara ko se really change na se the why ngal start the real of get change so nanda se gadi from okle mingini lo se ela gadam garam gira nga share ideas so since I started the real now 9 months and by then na join a team ramam di manya constant back and forth ang alawok sa edulli so I think mal sali da team ramam ra a rehab department or hospital malungi la management ma Jason el stover mas kama te alam no se alawok ideas ramils edulli tel department even better so 9 months sa Marseille plus 2 again intern mal kloam na change since it started like 92 since I opened the department magiyoban tirigal veterans or stay wachar mar maricina ma edwinan la vitar nagim las mo ba mar betol gama magime agi la ba degree gama ding not so much on hands experience of a patient etira ko 30 plus years experience with those two blended it's the mal solid department I believe our patients are well treated. Other complications or issues, we're a solid team. And meet and talk about it. What's the best ways I will prioritize treatment that a patient to get the best that they can get in our department. Yeah.
Listening to them. Please come after school.
So it's been 2 months for me interning here at the PT department, and so far I've been learning a lot, to be honest, more than I've learned in Guam, and I love that we're doing a lot of hands-on. That's something that I don't really do, especially at my internship when I was taking intern at Guam. And I've met great mentors and I've met really nice patients, and I've also gone to many places like the old age center, and I've been to the small clinics from like Peleliu or Miligiok, and it's my first time there too, so it was a really good experience and good opportunity. And to be honest, I think maybe after I get my bachelor, I really want to come back here again.
that was the whole
That's an award for you know.
Saya bukti ni saya betul itu si department mama manamongin ni gini aku mau sila ngahawala di malumra ko si tirakan namin na value. They bring value to the department, to the team itself. Wayel dilo by the Mr. Teal, but the dilo talk of the Swede. Ito kami nga na belok sa MCC ako din. Sa Maria already solid malasa mga esilulaw sumagye del di support of the Swede. Mi problema o tao tayel lul the Swede. Mungkin malalaw yo. Mungkin malalaw yo tel sa del kukla ko relawan na esil ako pera skule may makalgo ka blu umna so sing ako raso el persona por el help needed bom para skule may tararia tel so el organisero les akrar ada ko ay get experience again mga skule again na hospital gid mo siya message din ko man sila al pulide mas mama attention.
Other Palau are so proud of him. Seguida por Talungab el programa kamaman ng hospital. Ay giltilo ko mi lado ko tromo. Feel free to join us. Asuma other Palau umumdas to spell explain na therapy mortir. That's the seat you can come and sit on. Macau. Umansula ko ya Talungab el programa kamam. Lumentira other hospital. The pastrira umil congratulations and mortigalte din ng Palau na mas bin mutum ng Palau kero magedro. May igong yese bata Kausischakl at Sunday.
Thank you.